Hey, what's going on, guys? What is going on, everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com. Welcome back to another live stream. It's been a while since I've been doing these, and I absolutely love streaming with you guys. So it looks like the stream just started now. I was talking to nobody for 2 minutes, but it's okay. I'll just re-explain what I said. We basically broke back above 29,500, which was very key, right? That really led to the move higher. And now we're really setting up to what should be a move back up above 30,000, but we're not going to stop there. We're not going to stop at 31, 32,000 this time, guys. We are going in for the big move, okay? Which means we're going to start heading into the higher 30,000s, 34, 38,000, and soon we're going to reach 40, guys. And that is what I am personally gearing ready for. Now, you can see that we bottomed out one last time at 28,700. I believe this was the peak bottom on this pullback. And since then, we just went straight up like an arrow all the way up to over $30,200, okay? And now we are still maintaining above 29,500. This is exactly what we wanted to see. We're going to have to punch through a little bit of resistance here in the 30 to 31,000 area. I don't think it's going to be too much of a problem. And after that, guys, it's off to the races, okay? Off much higher above. And I currently actually have a massive Bitcoin trade up 900 bucks, of course, on none other than the best crypto exchange, Fairdesk, which is where I do all my trades. Link to Fairdesk in the description below. And this trade, guys, this is not our only trade we have going on, okay? We have 2 Bitcoin trades. We also have an XRP trade going on. But for this Bitcoin trade, guys, I stand to make over $30,000. You heard that right, guys. Over $30,000 on my Bitcoin trades, okay? Now, you'll notice here that you can't see my take profit or stop loss, okay? And unfortunately, guys, that's normal because that's only reserved to followers of the exclusive Right Trader Telegram group, okay? Last month, we were up over 70% on our trades, guys. Over 70%. This month, we are already up well over 50%, and many of the subscribers are in massive profits like me. Now, of course, the benefits of the Right Trader Telegram group, guys, you get live market updates, charting. I do voice messages where I answer your questions. I give risk management tips. And of course, live trade signals, guys, with full take profit, stop loss. Sometimes we scale in out of trades, sometimes we scale out. But guys, this is all given to you in the Right Trader Telegram group where people are already profitable today. You've seen our trades. You see it right here, this new one live, but you don't know our take profit or stop loss, guys, and you're missing out on a lot because this trade will make me tens of thousands of dollars, and I don't want you to miss out on this. If you want to join the Right Trader Telegram group today, just click the link in the description of this live stream or in the chat post that I made in the live stream, and you can go ahead and join the Telegram group, guys. Less than 50 bucks a month, okay? That's a couple cups of coffee. What is the potential outcome of that? Well, I'm up currently $900 on this trade, okay? So just do the math there, guys. This is one trade. This is just one of my Bitcoin trades, okay? And this is not yet anywhere near where our take profit is, which will make me tens of thousands of dollars on this single trade alone, okay? So I think the value is, undescribable what you're getting, okay? I'm giving you all my years of experience, all my live trading, and you can take that, become profitable yourself for less than 50 bucks a month, guys. Link to the Right Trader Telegram group in the description of this video. Let's get back to the Bitcoin chart, guys. We're moving higher as we speak. And this is normal, guys, because right now you need to understand we're basically in breakout mode, okay? Could we see a little bit of resistance, a little bit of consolidation here? 30,000, 31,000? Yes, it's possible, right? But here. On one of my Bitcoin trades, I was actually literally able to pretty much catch the bottom, is because we have the confirmation here of minimal downside and massive upside, okay? So, based on the statistics, right, that is enough of a signal for me to confirm me going long, on top of the fact that we have the cup and handle still being, complete and intact, okay? Now, let's go ahead and talk about the crypto market in general. Of course, guys, as always, Thank you for the support. A lot of views on the channel recently. Make sure to hit that like button. And please, guys, please don't be shy in the chat, okay? These live streams are made for you. If you have any questions about crypto, Bitcoin, anything you want to know, guys, just let me know down in the comment section below. And of course, if we have any of the Telegram group subscribers, go ahead and leave a comment and let everybody know how good the group has been for you. Okay, I'd really appreciate that. Now, guys, the global crypto market cap currently around 1.23 trillion. We've been very steadily holding above $1 trillion in market cap, which is always a key sign. And on top of that, guys, we have other good stuff that's going on, okay? Like I said, Bitcoin overall very strong. I've added to my long-term positions on this pullback. Not much to say there, okay? It's Bitcoin. It's going to $10 trillion market cap. Get in before it's too late, not financial advice. And Ethereum, you know, I haven't been paying that much attention to Ethereum because simply, guys, Bitcoin is outperforming it in every way. It's safer than it. It's more stable than it. And, you know, recently it's even been performing better than it, right? Look at just in the last 7 days alone, Bitcoin doing 3 times better, okay? Not to say that Ethereum can't perform well, but it's not been performing as well. XRP, I'm still very bullish on, guys. And we're going to look at the XRP chart in just a second here, but XRP, I'm very, very bullish on. We also have Dogecoin that went back up a bit, right? It's currently at 7.5 cents. Solana, I'm very bullish on it. It got a very nice bounce. I actually had pulled up an article here, guys, where you can see that XRP and Solana lead crypto market bounce, okay? And that's because I think these are two of the best altcoins for the next year and a half, guys, and arguably for the long term as well. Now, there was also an article that said that, you know, the XRP price disappoints and pulled back after there was a new ruling in the court. And, you know, there's worries that there's going to be an appeal, etc., etc. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, guys. The crypto market is going to do what the crypto market wants to do. XRP is its own coin. And the fact of the matter, guys, is XRP is going to go flying above $1 soon, okay? And I'm going to be there to profit off it, like I was when I made 2,500 bucks in just a couple hours trading it live on the YouTube channel, okay? So please, guys, look at these signals. Pay attention to what I'm telling you. Cardano, very low right now. I like it right now for a long-term buy. And if it goes down a bit more, even better. Great long-term buy on Cardano. I personally am, I basically have no altcoins right now in terms of long-term positions, right? I'm very, very heavily focused on Bitcoin and adding Bitcoin here. But if I did buy any altcoins, right, XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, Solana, I like those some of those bigger ones there, okay? So just a little bit of my thoughts on that. Looking at the best performers, just some random ERC20 tokens. Curve did bounce, okay? Curve had a huge amount of drama. It is the backbone of DeFi. I don't want to get too much into the whole Curve thing in this video, but I do think it's going to make a recovery. And, you know, if you're a big risk taker, I think right now could be a great long-term buy on Curve, right? If you're willing to stomach the amount of risk that comes with that, you can probably get a pretty easy 10x in the next couple of years. I don't know if I'm personally going to take that trade, but I'm putting it out there for anybody who might want to at your own risk, not financial advice, guys. As far as the underperformers in the last couple days, also some ERC20 tokens. We also have Litecoin here, XRP, right? These two you need to keep in mind, they've outperformed the rest of the market massively, right? So now they're getting a pullback. The pullback was a bit sharp, especially for Litecoin. I don't think it's over for both of these two coins, right? I think right now in this current upwards trajectory, we can even look at the charts, guys. You know, Litecoin still up this year, which is actually not the case for many cryptos. And if we go look at the past 180 days, guys, we didn't hit my target of $145. Okay, until we hit that target, I am saying we have more upside left. And guys, we're still down 80% on this over the last 2 years, guys. I mean, these steals right now in crypto are not even funny, guys. Not even funny. I feel bad for any newbie who is not paying attention to the crypto space right now because the time is now, guys. XRP still down 81%. Okay, we literally pumped 70% in a day, and we are still down 81% over the last 5 years, guys. 37% pump just in the last 30 days alone. The long-term performance says differently, guys. So don't be looking stupid when XRP is above $10, okay? Not financial advice. Now, as always, guys, let me know if you have any other questions on altcoins. We have Costube, which I'd love to see you in the Telegram group, Costube. You've been a long-time follower. Thoughts on render and peak 2025 price target, please. I don't know if you're talking about a currency called peak, but I'm assuming you're talking about the peak for render. Let me go and hop over to the chart, guys. Render has been a pretty strong altcoin. Let's go ahead and see how well it performed here in the last 30 days. And let's see, pull up the long-term chart here. Looks like I was spot on with my analysis, right? I saw that if we were able to break this out, we were going to shoot higher, and that's exactly what happened. And if we go over to the chart, we can see that we are up 129% in the last year, okay? There's been a lot of hype with GPUs, graphics cards like NVIDIA. Render is obviously in that space. With AI and everything, it's a very big industry. So Render could stand to benefit from that on top of being a crypto, right? Right now, it's looking good, guys. The chart is looking very good. Now, it does seem like, we got a pretty strong move here from the bottom. 600%, guys. It looks like it still wants to consolidate a little bit more in this area, although we're probably going to head up to the higher areas of this range to $2.20, probably even $3.10 here as Bitcoin heads higher. And then as soon as we break $3.15, guys, as soon as we break this level right here, let me draw it out to be precise, $3.30, we're going to get a massive move, guys. We're probably going to go all the way up back to $8. So, if anybody got in at the bottom, or even right now at $1.67, does seem like we just hit the bottom here. Pretty good move, guys. Pretty good move. This could definitely, in a matter of a month or two, just hit a 100% move, basically. For 2025, that's hard to say, right? We're looking out at the next year here. 2025, guys, I mean, it's probably going to put in a new all-time high. How much? Well, there's a couple ways to analyze that. If we do a cup and handle analysis on this, which, keep in mind, guys, this is an altcoin. There's heavy risk compared to other coins out there, okay? Just please keep that in mind. I'm not saying it's a bad altcoin, but I'm saying it's an altcoin, okay? It's not Bitcoin, and you need to realize the risk that can cause, okay? So drawing this out from the top to bottom here, yeah, that's what I was going to say. About double of what we did last time. So let's call it $14, $15 would be our price target. Basically a 10x from where we are now, okay? So there is some opportunity here. If you got in at the bottom, I mean, you really have a lot of upside to gain from there. So congrats to any of you who bought that bottom, because by all means, we're probably going to see $15 render. In terms of the market cap, right? About a 10x from where we are now. Very doable in a bull market. Okay, let's say we hit half of that, hit $10 or so, still a great move, and very doable in a bull market. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with my Bitcoin trade here. Still looking beautiful, up 11%, 18% already, $920, guys. Huge moves, and like I said, guys, stand to make tens of thousands of dollars on the Bitcoin trade. Can't give you all the details. I can't give you the take profit and the stop loss, guys. That's only for people of the Right Trader Telegram group who are making massive profits with me. And, if you want to trade like me on the best crypto exchange out there with the lowest fees, check out Fairdesk, guys. Link in the description below. Awesome exchange. My favorite one that I've ever used. They have the Arena V2, which I showed you guys. They have obviously futures trading like I'm doing here. You can set your leverage, everything you need, guys. It's a full-scale professional platform available in the US and Canada with a VPN, whatever you want to do, guys. They respect your privacy. Link to Fairdesk Crypto Exchange down in the description below. And of course, guys, please, guys, take an investment in your profitability today. Join the Right Trader Telegram group. You can sign up in seconds, and I will add you to the group right away, especially for people who join after these live streams. I add them to the group right away, okay? So you can start getting in on the trades with the take profit and stop loss if that's what you want to do at your own risk, and make massive profits like us, guys. This is just the very beginning. Don't think you missed out, guys, because if you join the group and you see the take profit and you see the amount of gains that we're going to make on this trade, you're going to be very happy that you joined the Telegram group. That's all I'll say, guys. Link in the description to the Telegram group. Let's go ahead and check out some other charts, guys. Let's go ahead and check out ETH. We have not talked a lot about ETH on the channel. Welcome, everybody, guys. 7 live viewers. Thank you for the support. Let's go ahead, check out Ethereum right now. Let me know, I'm interested, guys. How many of you are long Ethereum right now or have an Ethereum position? If you do have Ethereum, how much of that is your portfolio? Okay, are you half Bitcoin, half Ethereum? Just let me know. It'd be interesting to hear. By the way, I see some stuff that I like right now on the Ethereum chart. Andres Moncada is asking, any thoughts on Ethereum Classic and Tezos? Okay, right before we get to the Ethereum chart, I do want to mention Tezos because I have been eyeing it myself. Ethereum Classic, guys, it only performs well. I'm going to be straight up with you. I like Ethereum Classic, but it only performs well in strong bull markets. Okay, it's probably going to go well above $100, $150 at the peak of the next bull market, but that is when it comes, guys. When it comes, please. I'm sorry, it's not going to do anything. Ethereum Classic is going to be a rock until the next bull market. Okay, I'm sorry to say that, guys, but it's the truth. And as far as Tezos, though, I do have some good news for Tezos. Now, Tezos is arguably a complete shitcoin. Okay, sorry to say that as well. With that being said, it's a coin that's probably going to be here to stay. Okay, it's been around for a long time now, and it's been around since 2018. And what I like with Tezos, guys, is it's very, it has kind of this pattern. Okay, I used to know a stock that was like this. I won't say the name of the stock, but it moved very similarly to Tezos, and I think Tezos will forever do the same thing. Okay, Tezos will forever do nothing, but that doesn't mean we can't make money off of it. Okay, now why am I saying this? Because it tends to trade in just basically a massive range. And right now, guys, the great news is we're at the very bottom of this range. Okay, now could we head a bit lower? It seems like we could head down to around 40-50 cents, but we're looking at a 2 to 5 year play. Okay, which means that if you get it in around 40 to 70 cents, like we're talking now, okay, basically I'm saying anything below $1, well, guess what, guys, we're probably going to see it revisit $8 to $10 when the market gets good again. Okay, then you dump it, you wait for it to crash back down, and you just rinse and repeat that cycle if that's what you want to do, guys. If you want to be a professional and stick to the big boy stuff, it's Bitcoin all the way. Trading Bitcoin, longing Bitcoin long term. I do a lot of stuff with Bitcoin, including some more risky stuff sometimes, but I make a bunch of money. Okay, why do you think all the big institutions, BlackRock, are not talking about Ethereum Classic or Tezos? There's no big money to be made there. Okay, yes, you might make some nice extra profits if you do what I said and play it like a cycle. You can do that, guys, but keep in mind Bitcoin is going to $10 trillion just in the next probably 5 to 10 years alone. We're looking at even $100 trillion, guys, in our lifetime. So you need to put these things into perspective. I'm sorry to be harsh here, guys, but I just don't want you to be stuck on some kind of random altcoin and watch Bitcoin go to the moon. If you're watching this video right now, we are not in the bear market anymore, but we're not yet in the bull market. I don't want you guys to miss out on what's to come. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. Ethereum, guys, Ethereum, very clear bottom formation down here. Okay, with that being said, I did mention the risk of if we did get a breakdown, okay, because there was some drama with ETH, guys, that Bitcoin was not involved with. Most specifically, okay, what happened with Curve. Now, they did manage to recoup some of their lost funds, okay, but this was a massive drama. I lost one of the news pieces there about the Curve drama, but the founder was taking leverage positions, doing crazy stuff. Let's go ahead and check out DeFi Llama here, guys, because I want to see how the TVL is looking like on Ethereum after this Curve drama. So let's go ahead and take a look, okay? Not good, guys, not good. We actually dropped from 25 billion to 23 billion. This is why I don't care about Ethereum. I don't care how high it might go in the future. If and when it's a good time to buy, I'll buy it. But other than that, I'm sticking to Bitcoin, guys. because Bitcoin has stayed true to what a crypto is supposed to be. It's performed like a true. It's a one of one, guys. It's a one of one, and that's why it's going to continue to perform so well. Now, the Ethereum TVL, guys, is, I don't want to say worrisome, but it's just reflecting what has been happening, okay, which is curve imploding, a bunch of random projects that have no value, and no one wants to buy this type of stuff in a bear market, guys. Unless we're in a very strong bull market where there's a bunch of newbies throwing money at random stuff, this stuff is not going to pump, guys. I'm telling you from someone who has 8 years of experience. You can listen to me or not, it doesn't really matter, but I'm just telling you what's actually going to happen. And curve, this is embarrassing for Ethereum, okay? Now, yes, Ethereum has a lot of projects on it, a lot of strong projects on it. The time will come where Ethereum will be ready to pump and go to 15K, but that time might not just be yet, and it's still embarrassing in my opinion. Now, the positive sides, guys. The chart is looking actually quite good, okay? We have this ascending triangle formation, now kind of ending in a symmetrical triangle, but overall, right, we had this very nice upwards trajectory. It seems like for the most part, unless we get a breakdown all of a sudden, which doesn't seem like we are actually trading towards the higher end of this triangle, we're probably going to get the breakout, right? Which means that instead of getting a potential drop lower, we're going to break out towards $2,500. Okay, from the current price, guys, that's going to be a 30 to 35% move. Very, very respectable. Although, guys, I don't want to go back to the Bitcoin chart, but it's a lot more for Bitcoin, okay? That's all I'm going to say. And a lot more likely for Bitcoin as well. Now, by all means, they're probably going to both end up breaking out and both going to end up performing quite well, but Bitcoin a bit better and also in a more steady way, okay? If you're taking out leverage positions, you're doing multi-$1,000 trades like me, guys, you can't afford a circus, okay? You can't afford curve this random project on Ethereum blowing up. I don't know what. This shipcoin did this on Ethereum. That's not how it works, guys. When I'm doing multi-$1,000 positions, guys, this trade, guys, is a 2 Bitcoin trade, okay? Do the math, guys. That's this position is worth over $60,000, guys. Over $60,000. I'm not throwing $60,000 at any random unpredictable coin. I'm sticking to Bitcoin like an institution, okay? And I'm going to make money with institutions, a lot of it. And anybody in the Right Trader Telegram group who was willing to invest just a bit in their future success as a trader, well, they're going to make a lot of money with me, guys, and they already are, okay? That's the fact of the matter. Go join the Telegram group and you'll see. Now, this is just getting started, guys, and we can see here on the Bitcoin chart looking very good. We're getting that rounding bottom. I love to see that, guys. Then we usually just get another rip higher, right? Which is exactly what I expected. Another rip higher. We're going to rip into 30,000, somewhere between 30,500, 31,000, and rinse and repeat, 32,000, hit 32,000, fly higher, fly up to 35,000, consolidate onwards towards 40K. Okay, and I'll be making money all the way up, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at XRP. I am long on XRP. I want to repeat that again, guys. I am long on XRP as well. And I love the XRP trade also, guys. Now, why is that? Well, excuse these messy charts, guys. But I'm going to keep some of these lines because they're important. Okay. The XRP trade, guys. Couple of things you need to know. This is a beautiful, beautiful trade to learn, to study, okay? When we broke out above 55 cents, I longed it, made massive profits, made $2,500 in just a single day. Look at this, guys. The Bitcoin trade is fun. Every live stream, guys, I'm up making massive profits. And still, guys, there's people on the sidelines who don't invest in the Right Trader Telegram group to get the most premium content, live videos, chart, updates, voice messages, signals for your crypto trades. I just don't understand, guys. You see the profits time and time and again. And people who are like that, will never invest in their future, they're not going to get anything in return, guys. They're not going to get anything in return. In the meantime, what did we get in return? Well, we already made 42% on our XRP trade, $2,350. We'd already made money on our ETH trade. And oh, look at that, guys. We got one little loser of 49 cents when I was getting ready to make my next trade on XRP, okay, which ended up being that massive win, okay. And now, guys, you know, I really wish I could show you the take profit, but I can only tell you it's tens of thousands of dollars in the profit, guys, and that's just for this one Bitcoin trade. I have a second one, and I have other XRP trades going on as well, all yielding thousands of dollars, guys. And you can see it live here. You can see the price live here. Go check at your own exchange if you think I'm lying. You know, it's happening before your eyes. But I guess you just have to sit with it if you don't want to join the team, okay? But for those who do want to take a step in the right direction for their future, who want to start making profits, trading crypto properly, like a professional, like someone who's been doing it for 8 years, guys. Link to Fairdesk, the best crypto exchange out there, completely free to use, guys, with extremely low fees. Some of the lowest fees in the industry. They show your fees right here. 0.02 maker, 0.04 taker. This is a professional scale exchange, guys. It's the exchange I'm using personally, and link to Fairdesk down in the description of this video, guys. Check it out, sign up today. You can use it worldwide, guys. They respect your privacy. And of course, guys, link to the Right Trader Telegram group in the description of this video as well. Even more important, guys, because this is something that, you know, right now, every person that's joined the Telegram group, not a single person has left, guys. Not a single person has left. They are that happy with it, okay? And I don't foresee anybody leaving either, okay? Because if you're buying it for 50 bucks a month and you're making gains like this, you know, this isn't the take profit, guys. This is not the take profit. I think you can see why they're not going to leave anytime soon, okay? And look at that, guys. We're flying higher exactly as I predicted on the Bitcoin chart. Let's go back to XRP, guys. I want to give you a bit of a lesson here. Very, very important chart to understand, okay? So the peak high was 94 cents. We pulled back 36%, okay? Now, I'm going to talk about that in a second. I want to reiterate. We pumped, guys, in a matter of hours, 100%, okay? We then pulled back, as, you know, should have been expected. We saw a pretty strong pullback of 37%, okay? Now, typically, guys, on a bigger coin like XRP, okay, which is basically the third biggest coin in the market in terms of actual coins, right? Not, well, it's usually a top 3 coin, right? Right now, it's in the top 5. I think it's going to reclaim the top 3. But what I want to mention is the fact that when you see a move like this for such a big $33 billion market cap crypto, okay, it can only drop so much. Now, let's say, and this is what I teach people in the Right Trader Telegram group, guys, link in the description below. This is what I teach people in the Right Trader Telegram group. Think about the numbers. Think about the math, guys. It's all math at the end of the day. If we pull back 37, 40%, let's call it, okay. Well, how much lower can we realistically go? We know that we've been consolidating here for over a year. Very unlikely that would re-enter that after we got good news on the lawsuit, okay? So let's just say, horrific scenario, okay? We fell 40%, and then we fell another 30%, okay? Which means from the top, guys, a pullback of 60% on a $33 billion market cap company. It's very, 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 very unlikely that we're going to go lower than that, okay? In fact, like I said, guys, already a 40% pullback like we basically got. Very unlikely that we're going to fall below that, which is why along the bottom. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that, okay? On top of the fact that it's a clear breakout. You know, we came back for retest. That's all this was. Nothing more. Now we're going to rip higher. People are going to be like, oh my gosh, why is XRP moving higher again? How did this happen? I didn't realize that it was actually going to break out again and go back to $1. Yes, guys, it was as clear as day if you know what you're doing, okay? We put in the bottom. We're going to go right back up now to 75 cents approximately. We're going to consolidate a bit, and then we're going to start flying higher up to 94 cents, guys. Then we're going to start a very tight consolidation, and we're going to get a monster rip above $1, guys. And, you know, I don't know how much longer I'm going to hold the trade for, if I'm going to hold it for above $1, but we could probably see in the next 2 to 3 months, guys, XRP somewhere between, listen up, $1.20 to $1.80. You heard that right, guys. Massive move, massive move. Well over 100% still from the level we're at. Okay, that is a lesson there. So hopefully you take something from it. You know, I think these live streams are packed with value, guys, which is always, you know, what I try to give you. Okay, whether you subscribe to this channel or not, whether you like the videos or not, whether you're in the Telegram group, whatever, I'm here to serve you. I'm here to give you value. Okay, that's what I'm here to do, guys. That's my mission. And you know, I think value I am giving. Okay, up $1,000 now on the Bitcoin trade, guys. Just the very beginning of what's going to be. We'll go back to the Bitcoin chart of what's going to be a monster move to initially up until 30,000 and way higher up until you know, probably somewhere between $40,000 to $45,000, guys. We might actually see even $45,000 to $48,000. Okay, I caught the bottom. People in the Telegram group did as well. Link in the description down below, guys. This is the last time I'm going to tell you. Subscribe now. I'll add you to the group right away. And of course, guys, link to Fairdesk, where I'm making massive profits. Best crypto exchange out there, guys. Look at how beautiful the platform is, the colors, the sleekness, the speed of it, guys. Second by second, guys. I mean, you know, when you trade on a platform like this, you cannot go back to another platform. It is perfect. And that is the exchange that I choose to use for professional multi-$1,000 trades like this $60,000 2 Bitcoin trade. Okay. And with that being said, guys, thank you for watching this live stream. This is going to be it for today. We covered Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, talked about the Telegram group, talked about the best crypto exchange out there, guys. Don't miss out. Link to those in the description of this video and in the pinned comment of this live stream. And of course, guys, gave you all the juice on the technicals. Okay, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to our 5 live viewers. Hit that like button, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Love you all.